heavy this fan is. It's really fucking heavy. The biggest fan too. The biggest one.
Big fan right there.
So we got the truck inside. And I forgot the video, of course. We already took the tires off. Took the drum off. Took the shoes off. And here you can see where it's leaking. The seal right there. So we need to get a new one of those. But so we got the brake drums off, or brake shoes, all greasy and oily. Luckily there's a steam cleaner here. We're gonna throw them in, see if we can get a part number off of them.
I'm just going for
clean them up a little bit.
All I'm doing is shopping.
Yeah, he's just shopping. Look at him. Steam cleaner's all warmed up. There it is. Let's take the basket out.
You can. Leave it. Leave the basket. Leave the basket.
We didn't use it.
Just leave the fucking basket.
Why?
Just leave the fucking basket.
What if we flip it over? Then we put it on top.
You wanna know why you leave the basket in there?
Why?
Because you see all these small fucking parts are gonna go fall and shit in there. So leave the fucking basket. Leave.
Paul. Toss those bitches in there. See, it's got jets all on the side, and on the top, and the bottom. This is them before. All right, so we're out here. We took the hub off, got the drum steam washed. Bearings are out, axle nuts, full axle. There's the old seal that we got to replace. Took the toner ring off because that truck don't have ABS. What else? All right, he's gonna take the anchor pins out now. Good old Tiger tools with new 3/4 Milwaukee impact. Look at that.
Out.
I think so. Okay, the first one's out. We gotta finish off with a hammer.
Full send or no send.
Uh-oh. Oh, it came out. Will that come out now? That's not good. Oh, you can punch it through. That's good.
No, you can't.
You can't? Is it?
No, no, you
It's a
can't.
pin. So I'm not certain if the guy that swapped the hubs, if he used the right seal. Maybe that's why it's leaking. So I'm gonna measure this.
It's leaking
And then-
on both sides, right?
Oh, the hub's in this washer, but I'm gonna measure the hub too and order the right seal. Same with the other side. I think it should be the same. So.
Yeah, because
So we're back here at night because I forgot to measure the seal. It's a weekend, so I don't want to have to wait till Monday. Come back. I want to get them as soon as possible. So, but we got the brakes on.
diesel chinkies here.
Milwaukee lights, real nice. Lights up the whole area. So just gotta measure right here, clean it up. So